Greetings to all on the Ford Escort forums and the Ford Truck forums. I keep getting this same request and it's kind of getting on my nerves about how do you solder battery cables. So, I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch. So, here's what I have to start out with. First of all, we have solder. It's just regular OT brand lead-free solder. Came from Walmart from my dad's inheritance years ago. One terminal cup. Basically a 4-gauge lug terminal. These came from Harbor Freight, so nothing special. Pencil torch, you can buy them at Harbor Freight, Menards, Lowe's, fill in the blank. Lighter for the torch, and I already did one on here just to give myself a test run because I haven't done it in a few years. Then last but not least, we have dielectric grease, and not shown on here yet. Okay, here it is. Marine heat shrink tubing. This is double wall adhesive lined. It's the only stuff you should ever use in wiring because it keeps out all the nasty corrosion. So with that said, here's how to solder it. First up, I don't know if you can see it there. Alright, here's the terminal. I'm filling it with solder. I'm going to set the phone down for a second so here you go, you can watch. Watch the master do his stuff. I'm going to find a way to... Okay, there we go. Alright, now you can see me do it. Regular scissors. Solder. Fill the cup. Okay, that should be good enough. Take a look. It's pretty much full. I mean, you can put a little more in there, but okay, we'll do a couple more. Alright, now it's full. No more can go in there. Next, let's add heat. Just a regular butane torch. Let me turn the flame down a hair. Add heat. I'm just making sure that all the solder actually goes in the cup. Okay, so now that we have it melted down, we're going to add some more. Overall, it should be about halfway full when you're done adding solder. So keep the heat on it. Turn the heat off for a second. Twist wires together. And it should pop right in just like that. And hold it till it cools. Give it like 30 seconds or so. And you're basically done. So once this cools off, do you see right where the terminal meets the insulation? Give that the dielectric grease. I use Harbor Freight's Super Lube because it works. Then once you slather that on, cover the junction, cover it with the heat shrink, and you're done. Alright, there you go.